learners, welcome to our channel Leap Ahead. In this video, we will discuss the solutions of medium test and appropriate fellow concept. If you haven't already taken the test, then feel free to pause the video and attempt the questions as test and then continue watching for the solutions. The question says, fill in the blank with the most appropriate word. In this question, the sentence reads, all attempts to dash the character of our late Prime Minister have failed. The people still love him and cherish his memory. Now, I want you all to focus on the words attempts and failed. So when you read the sentence, you get an idea that there must have been some attempts that have been made which did not really succeed. Okay, because the people still love him and cherish his memory. So कहीं ना कहीं we get an idea कि यहाँ पर जो word आएगा या फिर जो attempts किए गए हैं वो किस चीज़ के लिए किए गए हैं? Maybe to degrade the image of prime minister, right? So let us now explore the options. Coming to option B, which is assist. The word assist refers to aid or help. So we can eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is review. Now review means to study or inspect. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is duplicate. Now duplicate refers to copy or to twin. So we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option A, which is denigrate. Now denigrate refers to defame or belittle. Now we know कि यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा था, एक ऐसा वर्ड आ रहा था जो कहीं ना कहीं उनके इमेज को डिग्रेड या डिफेम करने की बात हो रही है. So we know that the correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, now that we have been challenged, we must take up the dash and meet adversary fearlessly. Now, if you read the sentence very carefully, you will understand that the hint to the answer is given in the question itself. Now, if you focus on the word challenged, now that we have been challenged, we must take up the dash. So, कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पर जो word आएगा वो किससे related होगा? Challenge से related होएगा. So, let us now explore the options. Coming to option A, which is pique. Now, pique refers to irritation or displeasure. So, we can eliminate option A. Coming to option B, which is larceny. Now, larceny refers to kind of a theft or robbery. So, we can eliminate option B as well. Coming to option C, which is largest. Now, largest refers to biggest or greatest. So, we can clearly eliminate option C. Coming to option D, which is gauntlet. Now, gauntlet refers to kind of a challenge. So, we know that the correct answer is option D. In this question, the sentence reads, do not stay in the grasslands after dark, as some animals become dash when they see humans. Now, when you read the sentence, you will understand that it is a kind of a warning. Yes, a quick warning दी जा रही है that do not stay in the grasslands after dark, as some animals become dash when they see humans. So यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं क्या आएगा, एक negative word आएगा, right? So let us now explore the options. The first option is complacent. Now complacent refers to amiable or lovable. So we can eliminate option A क्योंकि अगर वो lovable होंगे तो उनके लिए obviously we do not really need a warning for that. Coming to option B, which is conceal. Now, conceal refers to bury or cover. So, we can eliminate option B as well. Coming to option B, which is guard. Now, guard refers to be cautious or to reserve or to protect. So, we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option C, which is aggressive. Now, aggressive refers to be angry or to be hostile. So, we know that the correct answer is option C. In this question, the sentence reads, after initial setback, all Dash programs were successful due to the initiative of the new dynamic team. Let us now explore the options. Coming to option B, which is subsequently. Now, subsequently refers to something which is resultant. Coming to option C, which is consequently. Now, consequently refers to therefore or thereupon. या फिर sequential की अगर हम बात करें तो. Coming to option D, which is previously. Now, previously refers to formerly or earlier. Now, since we know कि यहाँ पर after initial setback की बात करें तो यहाँ पर obviously earlier या फिर formerly तो नहीं आएगा, so we can clearly eliminate option D. Coming to option A, which is consequent. Now, consequent refers to following. Now, you will say that consequent, subsequently, consequently, ये सब क्या है? सबके meanings तो same ही है. So, how will we really come to our answer? Now, if you read the sentence, तो यहाँ पर जो वर्ड आएगा वो कौन से पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच का आएगा? समथिंग विच इज एन एडजेक्टिव, राइट? नाउ व्हेन वी लुक एट द ऑप्शंस बी एंड सी, we see that ly has been used at the end of the word, which makes it an adverb, राइट? क्योंकि हम प्रोग्राम्स उन प्रोग्राम्स की बात कर रहे हैं जो उसके बाद होंगे. ऑल later programs or all following programs were successful. So that is why we can eliminate options B and C. So correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, general knowledge books often carry long dash to bring them up to date. Let us now explore the options. Coming to option A, which is ex post facto. Now, ex post facto refers to having retrospective effect or force. So we can eliminate option A क्योंकि यहाँ पर किसी effect या force से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Coming to option B, which is ad interim. Now, ad interim refers to in the meantime. Now, we are not talking about any sort of duration या फिर किसी भी चीज़ के बीच की बात हम नहीं कर रहे. So therefore, we can eliminate option B. Coming to option D, which is ad infinitum, which means forever. We can easily get it through the root word infinite. Okay, so we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option C, which is addenda. Now, addenda basically refers to an extra information that is being added to something. So, especially when we are talking about a book. Now, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर general knowledge books की बात कर रहे हैं, so it is very obvious for us that the correct answer is option C. Here comes the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Join me for another test in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and do not forget to attempt the next test.